power of Allah is beyond comprehension, and when we look at the creation of the heavens and the earth, we really can reflect over how great the Creator is, whose knowledge and power and abilities have no limit. And yet that all-powerful one who created the heavens and the earth and the star and the moon, He loves us, and He wants to have a relationship with us. If we offer some form of struggle for Him, if we have that love for Him, if we have that ihsan, that taqwa, that sabr. Really, when you read the Quran, who is it that Allah loves? The muhsineen, those who do good. The muttaqeen, those who are conscious of Him. The sabireen, or those who are steadfast in the face of hardships and who put their trust in Him. And difficulties are a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because it allows us to become amongst the sabireen, those who are patient.